welcome back to another Kids Vlogs. Today we are going to be making paper snowflakes with our little sister Hannah. And go ahead and check out
Mr. Crafter. And go check out Mr. Crafter. They do videos similar to us, like Paper Airplane is one of their videos, kind of like ours. They did
really recent
Paper Sword ones. And then they also did, they did a few funny videos, like comedy, vines, and stuff like that. So their logo is two swords with orange handles crossed. So go check out their channel. I'll put it in the description. Now, let's get on to the video.
Alright, so first, see this piece of paper? You fold this down right to there, then fold it like that. Then, you need to do this to cut it out on the side, see that?
Cut the sides.
This is the long ways, by the way. And then, see on this other side, you will cut down that. Oh yeah, by the way, this is Benjamin over here. And, okay, after you're done with that, you will fold that down with that. Then you fold it down. Then you fold again. And then after you're done with that one, you will start to cut. Which, you can't cut all this side because that's how it holds it up. You have to get big chunks of it to make a...
So you can kind of do any kind of cutting pattern you want, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
To make your snowflake unique.
Yes. That's pretty much for you all.
So if you're following along with us, you can kind of do whatever you want. Just kind of be creative and make your own pattern.
Yeah. I got one cut so far.
Good.
It's hard to make some. Sometimes they're hard to cut. See, I messed up that one.
Yeah.
So it's okay if you messed up.
If
It doesn't matter if it was ugly or
you can always try again.
Weird. Yeah. It doesn't matter. It's just a matter that you've worked hard on it. That's what it matters. Okay. So after you're done with it, you will need to see what it ends up like.
Unfold it.
I want to cut this out. So my brother named Isaac, he is good at making these. Okay, I think that'll see how
good.
it ends up like. Ooh. That's what it ended up like.
That's pretty.
And I'll see you in the next video. Subscribe and like, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!
Also, be sure to tap the notification bell. Bing, bing. And go check out Mr. Crafter. Don't forget that. And if we can get about, say, 3 likes on the video, we will do more paper, origami, stuff like that.
Yeah.
So, see you in the next video.
Bye.
Bye.